Welcome, guys. We're back again with another Temu haul. My name's Nancy. This is my wife, Sam C.
Hi.
Sam, how you doing today?
Great.
Quick backstory. We have done a video with Temu before this, and I'm going to talk about that in a second. Actually, this hat right here was from a Temu order previously, and we are back again. This was done with Temu. They reached out. They did supply money for all of these items here. I made it super crystal clear. Nothing changes our point of view. Nothing changes what we say. They don't get any input on what we say or any final, like, hey, you got none of that. These are just truly our thoughts, but as always, want to be super transparent. We are working with them, and we did one video, and I don't want to spend time on this much, but real quick, like addressing on some of the comments and thoughts with Temu. Before the last video, had you shopped with Temu before?
Yes.
Many, many times.
Several times.
Your quick summary of your experiences and thoughts on shopping with Temu.
I love Temu. I still am, a big Amazon buyer, and I feel like the stuff that is on Temu is the exact same stuff you're buying on Amazon, just for a little bit less. Or a lot of bit less. And it takes a little bit longer to get here.
And the thing that shocked me is it's way quicker than what I thought.
Yeah, it's not like months to
Right.
get to your house. It's like 10 days.
And we used to order from somebody else that was like overseas, and it would take, we'd get it 3 months later and be
Yeah.
like, oh, I forgot about that. It's so awesome. It's been amazing. Now, there were some concerns that were dropped in the last video, and I always hear you guys out and listen to your concerns. One of them was that there's this social media viral post going around that a worker wrote on a tag that was like, help me. False, that wasn't true.
Everybody likes to say that sort of stuff about other countries that you don't understand their customs and anything.
Correct.
They think that people need help. People are just like, leave me alone.
Right, we're happy. This is a great job for us. And then another one was people would send me these viral posts of Temu draining people's bank accounts and charging them all this stuff. You guys, if you buy anywhere online, you are susceptible to having your credit card number stolen. If you buy anywhere in person, you're susceptible to that. But every single credit card, debit card, PayPal, Venmo has built-in features to be able to protect you. So no one's bank account has ever been drained, right? If you buy stuff online with your bank account, your routing and track, and
right.
No, don't do that. Use a credit card, use a debit card, use PayPal. All those things are protected. Mm-hmm. We are actually going through that process literally right now. We took a break from disputing charges to film this video that we're going to get back because a company essentially scammed us. Not this company, nothing to do with beard stuff, but unfortunate, but we're going to get it back. We're not worried about it. So please make sure you guys use that kind of stuff. We have never had a bad experience with Temu.
Never.
And Sam has at least ordered, to my knowledge, at least 6 times. At least 6 times.
At least.
Yeah, and so we've never had a problem. This is our second video with them, but our private personal orders, so many.
I'm pretty sure I have 32 things in my Temu cart right now. Also, you guys, Legos. Jax is very much into Minecraft Legos right now. They sell Minecraft Legos for a fourth of the price.
Identical,
Don't spend $100 on the Lego kit.
When we do this, I know people make assumptions oh, they're doing for we love Temu. Love Temu. You just need to know what you're buying and find the right things.
And remember, the things that you buy on Amazon are also from these same exact buyers and countries. So don't come at us with Temu's supporting overseas stuff. So is Amazon.
The people that criticize that do the same thing drives me crazy. Don't get me started on that. Today's video, we wanted to order for each other with a basis on finding cool stuff, but also trying to work in some beard tools where possible. Some of them are going to be complete surprises today with just kind of seeing them. Others we dug into a little bit early. For example, Sam got me this beard hat right here, and it has got this beard logo. It's black on black. It's got the fabric on the back. I'm digging it. I really enjoy it.
The quality seems really nice.
This is a legit hat, and I actually got 2 of them. So I got this one in the mesh back, and this was a 2-pack for $6.
Oh my gosh.
Something crazy. You cannot tell me if I wear this, anybody would be like, oh, is that a cheap Temu hat?
Yeah.
No, this is a legit hat. So that's kind of the premise of this. We'll be going back and forth, kind of bouncing things off. Let me go ahead and hit you first with something.
I'm so excited.
And I don't even know if you'll know what
presents.
You'll know what this is, and I got the box over there, but I'm gonna hand Sam this. And it's actually something we've discussed and we
Okay.
wanted to buy, and I got it in this Temu order. Do you know what this is?
Is it like one of those things that like makes your back like spasm?
No, not one of those attaching ones. This is a dryer for your shoes.
Oh my gosh, I have one of these in our Amazon cart.
Oh my gosh.
So we are a big soccer family. Both of our boys are in travel outdoor soccer right now, and their cleats and our shoes.
Yeah, ours
my
too,
shoes
yeah.
particularly get soaked after walking, like early morning games, walking in the grass. And when there's a tournament, Maddox's cleats get all wet, and he has to play another game. So I'm like,
Yeah.
how do we dry these quickly?
Right.
So I've been wanting one of these.
Yeah, so I'm very excited to try it.
So cool. And it's
Legit.
like good quality.
Yeah, legit. So that's
Okay,
going to be pretty
I'm
awesome.
so excited.
All right, you hit me with something.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh, it's
yeah.
a Stanley. Or is it?
Right. So Stanleys are, some people see them as like a basic girl thing. I learned that through Sam. But for me, the biggest thing when we bought an actual Stanley is that the cup fits in cup
Yeah.
holders. And it's like 40 ounces. It's got the handle. We have Stanleys. I didn't know I
Yep.
was getting this, so I would have brought mine down. I could have saw it, but I wanted, have you compared them to
Yes,
your other Stanley?
I put them side by side.
Yeah.
They are the exact same thing. Same top, like, turny thing. It has this same little, like, I don't even know what that
Notch,
even is.
yeah.
Little divot. The size is the same. There's just no Stanley logo on it.
That's crazy.
Crazy. Like, I like this straw better.
Yeah.
But I have, like, a hard plastic straw. I feel
Oh,
like I'm
yeah.
going to break my teeth on it.
Okay. So I'm pumped. I have a
Yeah.
like silver one. Now I got a black one there. That is awesome. That is going to be used like heck. All right, next one here. I'm going to take it out of its fancy little bag that it
Okay.
has so you can see
I see
this.
it says flask.
It is a flask set. Now, we do not drink alcohol.
Okay.
But what is this, Samsy?
Okay.
Let me go ahead and
This
show.
is really cool. I have not. Oh, they're so little.
Yeah. So, how's this? Do you know what this is? You've talked about it
it's
before.
like a little like travel thermos and coffee mug set. It's like very small.
Yeah.
Which I have found that a lot of stuff on Temu, it's like the size, like they get you at the size, but it's still so cute. Like that would be Maddox and I are the only hot cocoa connoisseurs in the house. And I feel like that would be perfect. Oh, that's a cup too?
It is. So that's how it works. And
That's
I
cool.
believe they all go together. And so you can just keep them all together.
Oh my
Watch out. They're laughing at me right now. Somehow. But this one screws
That one's
in.
gone.
And it is a vacuum bottle. So yeah, so it vacuum seals it so it keeps it hot for longer,
Yeah.
fresh for longer.
Okay, we need
So,
to get some hot cocoa
yeah.
at the store
I
and
thought you'd-
try that out.
This is like Christmas.
I'm so excited, like for hiking
I know.
in the wintertime or like soccer games.
I was thinking soccer first and
Ah.
foremost, but yeah,
Okay.
hiking. That's
Okay.
gonna be cool. And legit feel too, you
Yeah,
guys. Like
it like feels like a Stanley.
if I can get anything across to you guys, if there's like cheap negative images, you guys, this stuff is the same stuff.
Okay,
All
our
right,
next
one.
thing, because Dan broke our current one, you guys know that we travel a ton. Dan ripped it. It's a hanging toiletry
yeah.
organizer. We have almost the identical one from Amazon. This one is a little bit smaller, but this bottom one comes apart.
That's
So, like,
cool.
you can just take a little one like this, and I'm pretty sure that the plastic ones are waterproof, like, bags. So you can just take this with you if you, like, need to take your makeup somewhere. Not you, but
So my-
Dan, take your makeup.
So when we go on beard trips, when we go on trips, my beard products go right in this.
Yeah.
It folds up, zips up, you pack it. When you get out, you hang it on the back of the bathroom door. And you get to
Yes.
use all your stuff. It's literally laying out for you, and it's clear, so you get to see into it. And yeah, I ripped one of the pockets on our last trip, so that works out perfect. Awesome.
So cool.
All right, next one. Let's go ahead and go with this. We'll go simple here,
Okay.
Sam C. Just a straight up digital tape measure.
Is it a laser one?
It is a laser one, yep.
Like a laser? Oh.
I believe you can measure by just pointing the laser.
I've wanted one of these for so long,
I
but they're
know.
kind of expensive.
Right.
And I'm like, I don't want to spend $100 on something
Right.
when I can buy makeup or
Yeah.
stuff like that.
And I don't know the quality of the
Right,
name
the
brand ones or
distance.
anything. Yeah. But it feels legit.
Okay.
Looks legit.
That is really cool.
And then the monitor's up on the top here, so you can see exactly how far something is.
I love it.
So-
I can't wait. What can I measure?
Right.
We need to do
I'm
stuff
very,
now.
very excited for that one.
Okay, your next one is a 3-parter.
Okay.
Because I know you like your beard scrubbies.
I do.
So
I do.
check those ones out.
So one of the things I told her, I was like, just make sure you get me some beard tools to try out. And a beard scrubber is something that I thought could be a great idea. And 3 different ones on here are awesome.
All different.
So this one's a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker.
I want that
You like
one for
that
my
one?
hair.
Because it goes around your hand, gives you like
Yeah.
a secure, like going down. I
Yeah.
can see that. This one is kind of in the middle. Again,
and
a
these
little bit
ones-
bigger.
Are they all like silicone?
Yeah, all silicone teeth here.
Okay.
And again, this is you put in the beard wash, you exfoliate.
Or your head?
I think this one is the most me here. This one is
Oh.
simple. It is small, easy to clean, deep teeth. I like that. I'm gonna
Now,
try them all, but I like
Are
this one.
are the teeth less, like, because we have several of them. See
We
how
do.
there's a lot more on this one?
Yeah.
Those two don't? Is
Yeah.
that less exfoliating?
No, it just depends on like what you're trying to do. Like my
Okay.
big beard, the big ones go through better for me.
Okay.
They feel great though.
This one seems like it would be much better for like your head hair.
Yeah.
Like for a woman.
For sure.
So-
For sure.
I'll take that one.
All right, Sam. The next one we have
Okay.
here is a car vacuum cleaner.
Okay.
A car vacuum cleaner. Now, some of you are like, Dan, why would you get her that? She likes these things. She gets excited.
You plug it into your lighter?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, son.
Because we got a like wireless one that Sam uses in our travel trailer.
Yep.
And she like is
Obsessed with it.
So I
But you
saw
have to
this, I was like, perfect.
charge it.
Exactly
so
why I
that
wanted
it makes
this.
it like hard to do our full car. Our kids are so unbelievably messy.
Yeah.
I can clean the car spotless. The next day they go to school. Just the hour that they're in the car to go to school, it's a disaster. So I'm constantly vacuuming. And now I can literally keep that in the car.
Yep.
And when I'm like sitting in pickup line, I'm just like bust my vacuum out.
Yep, that was the goal. And it's got a super long cord, so that should be
Yes.
perfect.
Okay.
All right, I think
Is this your last one?
there's one behind you too. I would show that
Where?
one while you get that one ready.
Okay.
So Sam's wanted me to get one of these for a long time, and I did try this one on beforehand just to see how it would fit and stuff. And it can kind of push up my beard, so I don't want to wear it on camera right now. But it's a puffer jacket? What would you call this?
I would call it's a light puffer jacket.
Yeah, like
There's not a lot of puff to it.
Right.
It's more just the jacket.
It's like a transitioning from fall to winter, or
It's a good fall jacket. For
or
sure.
spring.
And
it's
a cool
nice.
color.
I love the color.
It feels like quality.
Mm-hmm.
The seams seem really nice. It has a little stretch to it at the bottom. The pocket zip, which you don't see a ton on cheap stuff.
So that's cool. I'm excited to try that out more and more.
Okay, last one, my absolute favorite one. Dan, when he travels, he takes this tiny Nike duffel bag as his carry-on bag that was mine when I was in elementary school.
I'm frugal, guys. I'm frugal.
When I played indoor soccer at Maddox's age, that was my duffel bag.
That's okay.
He still uses it.
I do.
So I'm like, I think you need a little glow up. So I got you. Gosh, it's so big you can barely see it. It's like this travel backpack that has all of these cool little spots. There's a padded spot for your laptop in the back. There's 2, I think, water holder, cup holder things. The inside is an array of different spots. I think it expands a little bit, and there's a shoe part at the bottom that you can put dirty shoes in. You got front pockets, you got side pockets.
This
There's
thing is
so many pockets.
unreal. And the padding on the back is
You got a
unbelievable.
back pocket.
Yeah.
Those security ones on the back so no
For
one steals your wallet.
wallets. This thing is unbelievable. I am flying very soon, and I am so literally tomorrow or 2 days.
Yeah.
I am so excited.
I'm excited for
This thing is legit. Legit. Oh my gosh.
I love it.
So
I
that
wanna
is a
use it.
win. I really hope you guys can hear it in my voice. I have been nothing but impressed with Temu. It has changed many things that we order. Our Christmas orders this year are completely different because of Temu and the ability we have. We already have a fat stack of Christmas items from Temu, and they're amazing. Outside of all this, just our own orders. It's so good. Now, we're not telling you to go buy from them. If you're like, nope, I don't buy stuff, hey, cool. No worries whatsoever. We just want to pass this on so you guys can have accurate information, because I take pride in what we're saying is accurate with our experience. And so if you guys have had anything, let us know. If you purchased after the last order, let us know. I talked about beard trimmers and combs and brushes. They've got so many cool things. Just know what you're buying.
Right, and read the reviews.
Right, we're big on reviews. Yeah. And there's some areas of life that I wouldn't purchase from Temu, and that's okay. But there are ones that we currently are and will continue to. So check out the description. There's no commission. There's no like affiliate or anything like that. I don't make money off sales, but everything is linked in there. Temu provided a link to each item. And I believe they still have a promo if it's your first time using the app or being a user. You get like 50% off, something crazy. All the information will be in the description.
And I'm sure they're going to have crazy sales this month.
Have to.
This is like the month of sales.
And it's our first like time going into the holiday season with Temu, so I'm excited. Awesome. Thank you, Sam C.
You're welcome.
I love the gifts.
Thank you.
Yeah, right. This is going to be cool. Can't wait to read your guys' comments out there, and we'll keep you posted on Instagram if you want to see updates of these things. Most of these will be used in the very near future on a regular basis. So thank you guys, as always. Like that. Please stay bearded and stay positive.